Welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to solve this beautiful problem that x square root x is equal to 27. X is equal to what? So first of all, here we write x multiply by x square root is equal to 1 upon 2 is equal to 27. So now when bases are same, we just add the powers. So here x power 1 plus 1 x power 1 upon 2, it's equal to x power 3 upon 2 is equal to 27. So now here we write power 2 upon 3 both sides. So we write x power 3 upon 2 whole power 2 upon 3 is equal to 27 power 2 upon 3. So now 2 and 2 cancel, 3 and 3 cancel, x is equal to 27 power 2 upon 3. So now x is equal to, we write 27 as 3 power 3 whole power 2 upon 3. So now 3 and 3 cancel, x is equal to 3 square. So now here write x is equal to 3 square is equal to 9. So x is equal to 9. This is our answer.